I love the way that it feels. It honestly, it's dialed in. It's super comfortable. For the bang for the buck, it's amazing. There's a lot of padding in the same mesh that you're gonna see throughout here. Very comfortable to wear. So I ended up just finding the best hydration pack, and this is from Local Lion. This thing is really, really nice, and I've had a few hydration packs in the past, but honestly, for the price, you cannot beat this one. This holds up to 2 liters of water, and I'm gonna show you a few of the features. This is the water pack right here. Really easy to operate, and it's just a twist on and off. Super easy. You just want to make sure that you clean this out after you're done using it, and we're gonna have a tube that comes with it, and you can funnel this through the system, and this just connects to the bottom of this water pack with this tube. I really like the end of this tube and the way that it bites. Like, it just feels really nice and keeps it secure all the way, so until you bite it, no water is going to come out of this. Really nice feature. We also are gonna get this waterproof bag, and this goes all the way around this. So this bag is gonna go all the way around, so if you are outdoors and there's anything on here that you don't wanna get wet, you're gonna throw this on. This thing's gonna be amazing. And what's cool about that is it takes up little to no room in the actual bag. I mean, you can literally fold this thing up and just throw it in one of these pockets. Like, it goes to literally nothing. So it's not gonna take up any room, but that's really nice to have. Ton of pockets on this, ton of features. So on the actual bag, you are gonna have all of these pockets, which is amazing. You're gonna have a clip here, pocket inside, more mesh pockets, and you're actually even gonna get a pocket on the actual pocket itself. Pocket on a pocket. So really, when you're going out and traveling, or you're hiking or doing anything outdoors and you need a backpack, having all of these little pockets is gonna really help, because you wanna pack as much stuff as you can with staying super, super lightweight all the way through. I love the high vis too. Going all the way through, you're gonna have a high vis reflection there, and you're also gonna have one on this side right here. So when you're walking on both sides, if you are close to a road or anything, it's gonna provide you with a lot of safety. We get a larger pouch up here on this side. You can fit so many things in this bag. It's huge. And then we also get a Velcro right here, and that's gonna hold that water pack in place just like that. If you look on the outside here, we're gonna have another pocket, and this is gonna be something, a smaller pocket right there. So I'm gonna give you a little bit more of an up close on some of the features. So taking a look at the bottom here, you do have a zipper on the bottom, and it's not actually gonna be a pocket, but when you open it up, you're gonna have this mesh that's gonna go up, and it's gonna click here, and it's gonna click on the other side. And that's gonna give you more room to carry something else on the back, like a hoodie. Like, usually I would just put a hoodie right in there and let that stay on there, but that's just a cool another feature. So as we look on the part that's actually be touching your skin, there is a ton of padding going all the way throughout on the lower back and on the upper back. It's a nice breathable mesh material that's gonna really help with sweating and eliminate sweating, really be moisture wicking as well. There's a lot of padding in the same mesh that you're gonna see throughout here. Very comfortable to wear. I do not get sore or anything when I wear this. As you click this in place, it's gonna have a really nice strap that's gonna go over the chest, and that is gonna be adjustable, which is really nice. This is gonna be where the water clips in, just right here on this pack, and you can just keep it readily available, so you can grab a swig whenever you need it, stay hydrated, and that's the most important part. You also get a nice handle here if you ever do need to carry this or transport it in any kind of way. So I got this backpack on now. I want to show you what it looks like while you're wearing it. It's adjustable all the way through, so you do get really nice straps here, so you can tie this tight. But man, oh man, does this feel amazing. And you even get a strap here. It looks like this has a nice stretchy material, so you can really dial this down, and it's not gonna feel like it's pulling you. But with that stretchy material, like sometimes with these straps, you're gonna tighten it up, but whenever you move, it just like locks in place. Whenever I'm going hiking or anything, that strap will tighten down. Like on other brands, it'll really restrict my movement, and it'll hurt. This company has that elastic material right here. So when you strap it down, it's gonna be nice and snug, but when you have to move or grab like a rock or a tree branch and climb up something, it's actually still gonna provide you with a little bit of stretch to make it super comfortable, but still allow this to keep a really good hold and a good grip on you. I love the way that it feels. It honestly, it's dialed in. It's super comfortable. For the bang for the buck, it's amazing. You gotta check it out for yourself. Go and pick one up for your next adventure. Stay hydrated, and I'll see you in the next video.